Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into JupyterX to learn how to add links to your heading widgets. And if you're new here, JupyterX is an all-in-one WordPress theme that supports Elementor, no Elementor Pro needed, with 200,000 plus users, 450 plus ready-made websites, and exclusive WooCommerce features. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to connect your headings to any page or resource. Let's get started. Alright, let's select the heading widget we're going to link up. Then let's head to the link field in the Content tab. We'll be diving into this next. Alright, the link field is now ready for our input. We can use either a static link or JupyterX's dynamic tags. Dynamic tags are great for links that change based on the content. For demonstration purposes, I'll start by showing you the static link option. Let's enter the link to JupyterX's Help Center. This will direct anyone who clicks the heading to the JupyterX help site. Okay, let's preview the changes by clicking the Preview Changes button. This will open the preview in a new tab. Now, let's quickly test our static link by clicking on the heading, which will open the JupyterX Help Center. Now we can head back and try dynamic tags. Now that we're back in the editor area, let's try the dynamic tags option this time. This will help us pull dynamic content from our JupyterX website based on what's displayed on the front end. For demonstration purposes, I'm going to select one of the simplest dynamic tag options in JupyterX, which is the internal URL. You can learn more about dynamic tags in the related tutorial video and also read more in the related article in JupyterX's knowledge base. To configure our dynamic link, let's expand the link settings in the link field and follow the steps. Next, let's click to select content from the Type drop-down menu. Now, let's click the Search and Select drop-down menu so we can enter our search characters. Alright, let's type Shop in the Search and Select input field here. This will link the heading widget to our website's Shop page. Let's click the Preview Changes button again and see the results. Now let's test this link and see where it takes us. And there you have it. As you can see, the dynamic tag link we added to this heading widget has navigated us to the Shop page selected in the Dynamic Tags options. And that wraps it up for today's tutorial. Now you know how to add both static and dynamic links to your JupyterX heading widgets using Elementor. By linking headings to internal or external pages, you're improving user experience and your site's SEO. Pretty cool, right? Thanks for watching.